Okay, so time to going to be pulling off the sump. The bolts under here are 8 millis. So let's pull the gear off. Okay, drop the sump. So very clean inside, very nice. Here's the pickup. Looks good inside the actual engine. It's good. Good news. This cover needs a nice overhaul, which we'll get into now. So before I fill this up with hot soapy water, boiling hot, for a clean. Now I've drained it obviously over there. Now I've put petrol in and using my trusty brush, which oil evaporates really good in the petrol, which is good. Cleans very well. But inside I didn't find any sort of parts from the engine or bits of scrappy metal that could be splintering off from something bad inside the engine. So the engine so far I think is in very good nick. It's more external, so I'm going to keep cleaning this. Too hard with the phone, and I'll show you after. Okay, this is the underneath of the sump. I've just dosed it with petrol with the brush. Well, the other part is I've emptied the contents of what was inside just there on the dirt. Yeah, she's not in best cosmetic condition, but we will change that to making it look brand new.